Rob, we'll start with the team as expected. A bit of a mix and match, starting 11 and a first cap for Wes Burns.
Yeah, Wes has been in the system before, and it just goes to prove that you're not forgotten about. We've monitored his progress. He's had a really good season. We've given him the opportunity to come back in, and he's impressed every single member of staff. So he's been given the opportunity, and I know him, and he'll grab it with both hands. And with regards to the other team, it's picked, like I said, a common sense approach. We've got one eye on Sunday's game. This is a really important game for us, but we have to think of that game on Sunday as well. So the team we've selected tonight is with that in mind.
Danny Ward is back in goal. He missed the games in March. You've rested a lot of key players, but you feel that Danny could do with some game time today.
Yeah, Danny's played one game for the last couple of months, so he's had the injury that he's had to deal with. So yeah, there'll be changes again at half time. We've got a plan in place. We've already got the subs that we're going to make and the timings of it. So it's all, like I said, with one eye on Sunday.
What would you like to see from your players today, Rob? Is it a chance for them to claim a place in Sunday's starting 11, or have you pretty much decided on that team by now?
No, I said coming into camp we need a big squad because of the amount of games we've got and the quality of opposition we're playing against, and thrown into that is a final of a World Cup playoff. So it's a bonkers month, but one that we're going to relish and enjoy playing. It gives the younger lads an opportunity to experience top-class opposition individually and as a team, like I said in yesterday's press conference, and expose them to that. And it's about creating a winning team for now, Shauna, but also creating a winning team for years to come. So it's exposing those younger players to opposition like this to benefit them in years to come.
And Rob, looking at the Polish side, there's a bit of experimenting going on with them as well. Does that make tonight a little bit more interesting? Yeah,
we thought there'd be changes as well. There's a couple that have been left out through injury as well. They're not quite ready. So, yeah, irrespective of who we play against, we know they're going to be tough opposition. So we're going to have to be at our very best. But like I said, this was always going to be a squad game. We're going to need a lot of players in this month, and it gives them an opportunity tonight to go and enjoy the football.
Rob, diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.